The fourth channel of the image is the alpha channel. This channel controls the transparency of the image. And we can see at the top layers the alpha channel is 0, but then as we get into the flower it has a higher value, in fact the maximum value of 255. Therefore, if we'd like to increase the transparency, we just subtract from the value of the pixels in the alpha channel, and the image becomes more transparent. And again, subtracting 50 from 0 leaves us at the end of the minimum range, 0, so it can't go any lower than that. However, if we add back in 50 pixels, then we see a gray box around the bouquet of flowers. And that's because we've now added in a value that causes the formerly transparent background pixels to become opaque. And that's where that box comes from. There's a simple fix, fortunately. We can just reset the costume to its original state, and after that point we can control the amount of transparency by first setting it to the original state and then subtracting to get the desired level. If we take advantage of this capability, we can put the entire thing in a forever loop like this, and then use a slider to control the alpha channel. So now if I start running this loop, as I adjust the alpha slider from 0 to minus 255, it will change the transparency of the image. And so that gives us a pretty straightforward way of creating a transparency mixer. We can also extend this idea to create a procedure that does essentially the same thing. In the procedure, we specify an image to be addressed or worked on, and then we subtract the specified amount from the alpha channel. And therefore, if I reset this to its original state, okay, now it's back in its original state. Then if I add 100, it becomes transparent, or if I add 50, it becomes less transparent. So I can use the procedure to switch the level of the transparency as well. Now, most graphics programs have a similar process for controlling the red, green, blue, and transparency channels, but in the next video we'll see that the ability to control these variables with a computer program offers the ability to do some things dynamically that can't be done in a static image processing program.